Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest hiring update by the NPCI team and it is for 22-23 batch. NPCI team is sending the test mail to candidates. The examination date is tomorrow and in this video we will discuss about the exam pattern, free resources and strategy. As well as I already mentioned in my previous video that this hiring is very good and don't miss to apply for this opportunity. One of the most important point, they are sending the immediate joining as well as they are hiring for graduate engineer trainee role and it is biggest hiring for 20 to 23 batch. In this video we will discuss about all the updates. Let's start the video. I if you received this, if you not received this type of mail, we have to wait for some time because I think the exam in the form of phases and as well as they are sending the mail continuously. Okay, so we have to wait for next slot as well if you not receive the examination mail. Many candidates receive this type of mail: assessment invitation NPCI. You are invited to participate in the assessment process of NPCI Mumbai, Maharashtra. As a mandatory step in the process, you are required to complete the online assessment in a single sitting. Okay, you can appear for the assessment on 23rd December 23 on 10 am and you have a 1 hour window to start the assessment. So the platform is CoCubes and basically one of the most important point that I have to mention, tomorrow there is a test on the 23 December and you can start your test by 10 am. Okay, so they mentioned that there is a 1 hour window will open for this test. So you have to check or read the instruction carefully before starting the assessment. There is a email ID, mobile number and assessment link. You have to on your device camera. Your exam will be cancelled if you find guilty of having adopted unfair means. All the best from NPCI team. So before the assessment, it is recommended to check your system is compatibility before starting the assessment. So check your system is compatible or not. Okay. Other candidate also received this type of mail. This opportunity is posted by one of the associate software engineer at NPCI. Okay, and basically in the evaluation process they mention that there is a assessment in interview. So round 1 is code and aptitude test and round 2 is technical plus HR interview. Let's discuss about the round 1, that is a code and aptitude test. Okay, so for code, okay, like for aptitude, there is a 3 part. Like there is a numerical part which is called the quant part, and there is a logical part, reasoning part, and there is a verbal part in which English questions will be asked. For aptitude, you can check the IndiaBix website. Okay, IndiaBix website is very good for aptitude preparation because you will find lot of questions that is related to the particular section like general aptitude, arithmetic aptitude, data interpretation, online aptitude test for verbal and reasoning. So basically your logical reasoning will be solved, your verbal ability section will be considered, as well as there is a arithmetic aptitude as well. Okay, so this is one of the most important point that you can prepare aptitude from IndiaBix website and you can check the previous year question. Okay, according to the previous trends, there are 40 minutes test for the aptitude and there are 20 plus 20 questions. Okay, it will totally depends on NPCI team whether they will consider this type of pattern or not this time, but it will totally depends on them कि वो कितने minutes देते हैं आपको और वो कितने time का test रहता है. But you have to prepare your quant part, your reasoning part as well as your verbal ability part, that is called the English section. सो क्वांटिटेटिव में आपका न्यूमेरिकल एप्टीट्यूड और सारी चीजें हो जाएगी, वर्बल में आपका इंग्लिश सेक्शन आ जाएगा एंड फॉर रीजनिंग यू कैन चेक द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग और वर्बल रीजनिंग. सो बेसिकली this is one of the most important point, and for aptitude IndiaBix website is very good and it is enough for solving the questions. Okay, like कि आप preparation कर लेंगे तो आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. So let's talk about the second part, that is a code. Okay, because they mention the code and the aptitude test. So code contain 2 parts. First part is like first part we can say like they will mention the coding question and you have to solve the coding question, as well as for the second part they will send the MCQs that is related to Python, Java or C++ and other type of MCQs that is related to computer science subject. It will also totally depends on them, because previous year they ask the MCQs from the candidates. Okay, so we can still hope that in the code there is only MCQs. For MCQs you can check the best website. It is one of the best website, and it is a Sand Foundry website. Okay, Sand Foundry website is very good for the like data structure, C questions, Python MCQ, Java MCQ. You can check. Okay, in the code there will be coding question, as well as for it will be totally depends on them whether they will consider the coding or whether they will mention the MCQ. like वो coding question भी पूछ सकते हैं या फिर वो आपसे MCQs भी पूछ सकते हैं. You have to prepare according to your according to your preparation. Okay, मतलब आपको अपने हिसाब से यहाँ पर तैयार रहना है, क्योंकि देखिए वो यहाँ पर क्या पैटर्न देंगे, वी डोंट नो अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न. दिस इज just a part that is related to examination. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Best wishes for the examination. Thanks for watching the video.